Hey there! If you're watching this video, that means you're interested in our custom compostable no-issue packing tape. In which case, in this video, you'll learn how to apply it to a box. Nice.
3, 2, 1.
All right! Order up! What's the deal with our compostable tape? Firstly, it starts in order quantities of just 5 rolls. You can get it in 2 different sizes, 2 inches wide and 3 inches wide. The tape itself is paper, so it's a paper base with a gummed adhesive backing, and that adhesive is gonna be non-toxic. So overall, the tape is completely compostable. You can also print in any colors you want. You've got full range of printing on a white background. You can also print on a brown craft background if you want your tape to match your box or cardboard a little bit better. But yeah, any color, completely compostable, water activated. So now let's learn how to apply your no-issue tape. Applying with the humble sponge. First things first, you're gonna wanna measure your tape to size. And now, here's a fun little technique. Get your sponge. Gonna go ahead and get that a little bit wet. Make sure it's got water on it, but not soaking wet. Place that down wherever your workstation is gonna be. And this is a fun little one. Put your hand on top, and you're just gonna draw the tape all the way through. And then we're lining it up on our box, making sure that it's even. Pushing the box down, and sealing. Done. So that's how to apply your custom tape with a sponge. But if you're sending out a few more orders, you might want to go with something that's a little bit more time efficient, which is why we've got the manual tape dispenser. This is a manual tape dispenser. Essentially what happens is you feed your tape through a couple of rollers. You've got a set of jagged teeth here for the ripping, and then this is the sponge that's going to be applying the water to your tape. Super simple design, usually runs you around $50 to $100. So when you're feeding your tape in, often what helps is to make a little fold up top. That's gonna allow you to squeeze it up and under a little bit easier. Nice, and then you're going right through here. You don't want that fold, okay. Okay, so now we're all set up. We've got water in the reservoir, locked and loaded. I'm gonna do a little bit of a kind of measurement here. Just making sure that it goes out long enough. Nice. Ripping it. Now I'm gonna hold in here so that we're not getting it gummed up at all. And to the sides, give it a nice little rub-a-dub-dub, and boom. Done. Nice. That was easy. There's a couple other ways to do this, but we don't necessarily recommend them. So there you have it. That's a little bit more information about your custom no-issue tape and a few different ways to apply it. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, feel free to reach out to us either in the comments here or via any of our other channels. And from all of us at No Issue, happy taping.